As a team leader, I've realized the importance of making sure that everyone's on the same page and that I even know what I need to communicate clearly. I shouldn't expect anyone to see what I envision as the visionary of my company. I need to first of all write it down and clearly communicate what I see happening. And as you even do that process, the crystallization happens as well, where you can even see it more clearly. The importance of everyone understanding their tasks really depends on the leader communicating what the vision is, so then they can better plug themselves and their roles into the bigger picture. There are so many miscommunications that happen, so many delays in projects because of either assuming something that should not have been assumed, and all these complications can come when communication is not clear. In your projects, in your team, make sure you have clear communication.